guys, welcome back to my channel Mermaid Bidisha. Today I'm going to share with you all my travel vlog. So I am sitting in New Orleans right now. We wanted to escape the cold weather of Michigan for a while. So why not New Orleans? I wanted to go to some place which is very artsy and aesthetically pleasing. So that's when New Orleans came to our mind. Thanksgiving time, the weather is perfect over here. We didn't plan to touch too many things this time because we have plans to come back again, which is why we booked a very nice Airbnb in the downtown, very close to French Quarter. We wanted to get the feel of this place, this area around, which is why we booked a very nice Airbnb. Come over here and experience the amazing French and Spanish influence in the architecture. Oh, by the way, I want to share with you all what I got very quickly, and I also want to mention about the local businesses over here in New Orleans. They have amazing stuff over here. So firstly, I went to Sephora and I got my staple hairspray, this texturizing hairspray, and then I got this Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb Triple Drip. So this is what I got. A big shout out to the shop called Dollz and Dames. I want to show you the shoe that I got. This is what I got. Make sure you check out the description box, all the details are given below. And the last one that I got is a beautiful white shirt from a shop called Tujague's. So here it is. This is the white top that I got. I'm gonna wear it with a mini skirt that I have. So now let's get started with the vlog. Bye! Here we are in New Orleans. Let me check in first at my Airbnb. I loved the decor of the room. It's clean, modern, and very organized. You can see the color palette is cool toned with pop of yellow and green here and there. I loved the interior. So first of all, we went to French Quarter. How amazing this place is. You have to come over here to experience the beauty of this place. We were very hungry, so we started off with food. Lunchtime it is. By the way, we are at this place called Gumbo Shop. So I had rosé and he took sangria, and we then took this blackened fish nuggets. This is jambalaya, and I took chicken gumbo. Very tasty, very different, very unique. Must try. So you can see the weather was perfect. We were strolling around. Just look at that. I was very fascinated by the architectures and also the local businesses. They have amazing collection and variety of different shops. Look at that dress, that pink dress. And you can see so many different kind of shops are there. Also there was foot massage spas everywhere. In case you get tired of walking, you can just go in there. It's nicely maintained city, very neat, very clean. We couldn't enter Cafe du Monde because it's always crowded. You can see the long queue, but better luck next time. Then there are a lot of art galleries. You can also purchase these pieces. I got my top from this place called Tujague's I was talking about. Their collection is very versatile, very sophisticated and elegant. And then we went to Bourbon Street. This is the place where parties happen 24/7, so I love the vibe over here. I suddenly started to have bad craving for dessert, which is why I got this rice pudding from a Middle Eastern shop. It was amazing. Amazing. Like I said, this trip is all about relaxation. I got up the next morning, made myself a cup of coffee, and of course chilled in the morning, and then went outside. It was a beautiful sunny day, and today we wanted to try some oysters, so we decided to go to Coterie. I started with a drink, of course, to set the mood. We took all appetizers. We took jumbo lump crab cake, which is crab cake sorted and served atop of fried green tomato with sauce remoulade, and then Cajun egg rolls, and of course half dozen char grilled oysters. These sizzling char-grilled oysters were saturated in a herb butter sauce topped with special blend of cheese. I also took this famous Cajun Bloody Mary, which is a must-try if you're in New Orleans. We were again exploring the city and were mesmerized with the beautiful architectures. Here I am wearing my new pair of shoes from Dollz and Dems that matches my skirt, and next we went to Tujague's, the world famous Tujague's. We had a drink and again we ordered some oysters over here. If you want to try the curated drinks and also experience the history and culture of New Orleans, this place is a must visit. Last but not least, we went to Abode's frozen custard shop. I loved the frozen custard over there, so fresh and yummy. I know I have been eating a lot, but that's what this trip is all about, unwinding and relaxing all the time. So while I indulge, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and see you all again very soon in my next video. Bye for now.